So guys, I just wanted to share something really quick with you. If you guys ever go remove those paddle shifters, and I didn't even know this happened, but so if you look on the back here, it has a rubberized coating. It's like kind of inlaid in there. And this one kind of got messed up when I removed them. That one's actually not even bad. Still feels the same when you fill it. But let me show you the left side, what it did. The tape is so strong. If you can see that, it pulled that coating off the top part of this. So now it feels all jaggedy when you fill it. So now what I'm gonna have to do is probably just remove the rest of it because it feels kind of funky. Because you have the top part that has really nothing on it and the bottom part has the rubberized coating. So, you know, like I said, that 3M tape they use on those paddle shifters is really strong. I heated it up. It sat on there and just pulled it off with it on that side. It didn't do it on the right side for some reason, but I wanted to share that with you guys. If you do put these on, know that you'll probably damage the back of that. Like I said, it's not a huge deal, but the way it is now, it feels funky when you put your hand on it and pull it because it's jaggedy on the back. It doesn't feel clean. So I'll have to scrape that off, and definitely not worth replacing the paddles to go through all that. But just wanted to FYI, if you guys are doing that, that'll probably cause some damage on the back side of those paddle shifters. Okay? So maybe that'll help you avoid some problems, or maybe think of a new way to stick those on. Maybe some not as strong tape. Maybe that would help. But just wanted to share that with you guys real quick. Like I said, maybe it'll help you avoid the same issue I had. Hope everyone's doing good, staying safe. Another video coming up very shortly. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks, everybody.